Hi guys, I had some questions today on playlists. So if I'm watching a good video like this one on a lean rescue truck and rolling gear cache and I want to save it for later, just below the video there is a button over onto the right that says save, and so when you click on that it will pop up. Now you can make a new playlist upper right there, or if you've already got one you can click on it and put it in lean videos. That will now put it in with all of the rest of my videos that I have that I've saved on lean videos. As you can see here, I've got a whole bunch of different playlists for different things, for our daily meetings, our morning stretching. I have them, like this one here is for, what my production manager, things that he needs to know and how we utilize them. We also have it for installers and, 2-second lean chapters of the book, those kind of things. These are all playlists that are there. You can shuffle those by clicking on them. You can move them up and down in the playlist, what video that you want to show first. If this is one we've got for new employees that we have everybody start with and watch. So, and then the great thing about it is you can share it and just hit the share arrow and you can copy and paste it into a message and send it out. So I try to do all kinds of training with videos, and then we have them, and we always have them to share. When I see ones that I like, we can put it in there and save it for later, and all kinds of other things. We're using it in our regular business stuff instead of putting a whole bunch of email links in an email, that we can put in just one link to multiple videos. So all kinds of ways that you can use the YouTube playlist.